Today I would like to show you the easiest way to find the minimization problem. So find the minimum values of w is equal to 3x plus 2x x2. So already this one is objective function. These two, they are constant function. We have x1 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. So the first step, we are going to write the argumented matrix such that you are going to say, I'm going to say 2, 1, 6, 1, 1, 4. Then this one will be 3, 2, 0. This one is the argumented matrix. So will be, you take this one, this key column will be 2x1 plus x2 is equal to 3. The other one will be x1, this one, plus x2 is equal to 2. For this one will be w is equal to this one 6x1 plus 4x2. So this is argumented matrix. After this, so we are going to form the dual function, dual constraint. So we are going to say 2x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 3. x1 plus x2 is equal to, is less than or equal to 2. These two, they are dual constraint. Then dual function will be w is equal to 6x1 plus 4x2. So this one is dual objective. This one, they are dual constraint. So we are going to provide the standard form of this very equation. So we are going to say 2x1 plus x2 plus s1 is equal to 3. That is equation 1. Equation 2 will be x1 plus x2 plus s2 is equal to 2. The third equation, this one, will be z minus 6x1 minus 4x2 is equal to 0. You take this one in sign of negative, the sign of negative to the other side. So it will become like this one. This one can be z or w. So you come from a table. You write basic, then x1, x2, then s1, s2, then solution. So for this one, you write s1, s2, then z. So our x, this first equation will be 2, 1, s1 is equal to 1. We take the coefficient. So for this one, the first equation doesn't have s2, so this one will be 0. This will be 3. So equation 2 will be 1, 1, doesn't have s1, so this one will be 0. s2 will be 1, so it's equal to 2. For this one, it's equal to negative 6, negative 4, doesn't have s1 and s2, so this one will be 0, 0, 0. So from this one, we take it from the bottom, we find the most negativity from the key column. This is the key column with the most negative. Is negative 6, negative 4. So this one is the most negativity. So from the other side, rows, we find the smallest one. We take 2 divided by 1, we get 2. 3 divided by 2, we get 1.5. So this one is smallest row. We take this one. So after this one, So you form another table here. We see basic. So this one is one will come here, we will alternate. So in B is 1, x2, s1, s2, then solution. So this one will be x1, s2, z. So we divide this side, this row by 2. So you see 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 divided by 2, I have 0, 3 over 2. For this one, we are going to say this one minus, we are going to say 1, the whole value, this one minus this one times this one divided by 5 volt. 5 volt is equal to 1. And get 0. For this one, we'll do the same. 1 minus this one times a half divided by 1. Get a half. For this one will be 0 minus 1 times a half divided by 1. Get negative a half. For this one will be 1 minus 1 times 0 divided by 1. You get 1. For this one will be 2 minus this one times this one, 2 over 3 divided by 1. So you get a half. You do the same here. Negative 6 minus 6 times this one divided by 1. You get 0. We see negative 4 minus 6 times this a half divided by 1. So this one will become 3. This one will become negative 1. We come here, we see 0 minus 6 times this a half divided by 1. We get 3. 0 minus this negative 6 times 0 divided by, here already you get 0. So we come here, we see 0 minus 6 times 3 over 2 divided by 1, we get 9. So already, because already we have a negative on this side, on the last row of z, so that means this thing, we do not have solution here. We have to continue. So we continue to remove this negative. So this removes negativity. So we take this is the most negativity on the key column. So in the key row, we take the smallest. So we get a half divided by a half. Here we get 1. 3 over 2 divided by a half, we get 3. So this one is smallest. So we come here, we do the same basic. This one we get S1. So S2 will alternate with this one. We get S2, S1, S2 solution. This one will be X1, X2, Z. So for this one already we have the value of the first one. So we get 1, a half, 0, 3 over 2. For this one we have to, this one will be 0. This one is a half. This one is negative 1. We divide 0 divided by half, half divided by half. Negative half divided by half, we get negative 1. 1 divided by half, we get 2. Half divided by, we get 1. So we come here, we solve this one using this one. So we can get 0 minus 1 times 0. Here is 0. So negative 1 minus 1 times 1 over 1. 0. We say 3 minus e1 times negative 1 over 1. So you get 2. So you did this one, this 0 minus negative this one times this 2 divided by 1, you get 2. So for this one you say 9 minus negative 1 times 1 over 1. So you get here is equal to 10. So this is our solution. This one will be x1, x2. This one is equal to our solution sasa z w. So if we take this 2 is equal to 10. So we want to prove, so w is equal to 3x1 plus 2x2. If we put 2 here, we become 3 times 2 plus 2 times 2, we get 10, this 10. So that is the way you can solve this one using minimization problem. Thank you.